Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello. Sagittarius placements. Okay, love reading. End of this month. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay? Okay, so kung may tanong pagdating ko sa private or personal reading kung ah, maraming gumugulo sa iyong isipan. O, diba? Message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, there. Sag. Okay. Kamusta ang mga Sagittarius? Tingnan natin ano bang meron sa mga Sagittarius placements. Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. Escaping. So, anong meron? Avoiding, blocking, pushing away. So, I guess, some of you, meron kayong binlock. Okay? Sagittarius. Excuse me. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay? Or pwedeng may person na binlock kayo, ganyan. Escaping. Ina-avoid lang kayo, mga ganyan. Or maybe kayo to. No? Chasing. Okay. If ever merong parang lumalayo, merong naghahanap. Okay? Parang may naghahanap. I don't know ba't naghahanap, pero yeah, chasing. Okay? So, siguro may paghahabol na nangyayari. Okay. So, ano tong escaping? For Sagittarius placements. Okay. Karma. Oh, this is deep. Consequences, cause and effect, deaths. Okay. I think it's like escaping karma. Escaping karma, no one. Oo. Wala ni isa ang makaka-escape kay karma. Yes, someone. Broken, shattered, heartbroken, and destroyed. I think itong reading na mangyayaring ito sa Sagittarius is medyo deep. Some of you, this is karmic. Okay? This is karmic for some of you. Okay, so tingnan natin. Merong gustong makawala sa karmic relationship for some of you, or mayroong mga nagtatanong dito, paano po magiging okay yung buhay ko? Mga ganyan. Okay. Iba naman, parang nasa situation na parang paulit-ulit, no? Parang nasa loop. Okay? Cycle. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa person on your mind? Oo. Okay. Ano bang meron sa kanya, Sag? Taong iniisip mo ngayon, anong meron sa kanya? Okay. The Two of Pentacles, Universe. This person dropped you. Yeah, the Two of Wands. 2-2. Okay. Yeah. The Seven of Wands. This is like, kanina, tawag doon. Ito yung pag-avoid. This is blockage. Okay, si Seven of Wands. For me, may energy rin siya ng ganun. Okay. Two of Wands. Some of you, there's like, itong taong to, bago ka nito bitawan, nagdalawang isip muna siya. Okay, ano tong Two of Pentacles Universe? So, pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, ano tong Two of Pentacles Universe? The Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, this is an earth sign. Six of Pentacles. Pwedeng itong taong to na give up sa'yo. I don't know, someone is like, parang naghintay sa'yo ito noon, ng katagal-tagal, no? Parang ganyan. Nag-invest sa'yo. Pero, I think, dumating sa puntong give up ka rin ng taong to. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin yung situation. Ano bang situation meron kayo? Sag. Okay. Situation ng mga Sagittarius. The Knight of Chalices in reverse. Okay. Yeah, the cycle. The loop. Paulit-ulit na nangyayari kung ano mang meron. Hindi mag-level up. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba rito ha. Yung iba, if ever meron ditong situation na nag-end, still, someone is like, pakaramdam nila hindi pa rin sila totally nakakaalis or nakakalabas doon sa sitwasyon or doon sa relationship. Kahit sabihin natin may separation. Yeah, kaya andito siya. Escaping and karma. Feeling nyo napakabigat ng relasyon or mabigat itong nangyaring relasyon na to. No? Parang ang lalim. Parang ganyan. Yeah, I think this is karmic. Karmic relationship. This is a sample of a karmic relationship, I guess. Yeah. Anong meron sa Knight of Chalices in reverse? The Hermit. The Hermit in reverse, escaping, iisa to. Okay, iisa. Yeah. Ito, itong dalawang to, pareho din itong dalawang to. May energy silang dalawa na pareho. Okay, pagdating sa situation. Yeah. Kumuha tayo ng situation, escaping and karma ang nakuha natin, and ito rin. This is a loop. The Knight of Chalices in reverse, no? Paikot-ikot, ganyan. The Hermit in reverse, this is like going out, like escaping. Okay? Yeah. The Star. Someone, like, wants to heal this, no? The situation. Okay? May napagod dito, kaya nag-drop. I'm so sorry. I don't know why, kung bakit kanya hinihintay, Sagittarius. So, tingnan natin, ano bang meron pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo. Okay, so, nasa ilalim ng ating deck is broken. Someone is broken. You or them. The Five of Swords in reverse. Trying to fix. Okay, someone wants to say sorry. May mga emosyon itong taong to na gustong totally sabihin sa'yo, i-express sa'yo. Okay? At ang taong to, I think gusto niya makipag-ayos. Gusto niya maging okay, I guess, in general. No? What's with the Five of Swords in reverse? But, the Five of Swords, this is something like anything gagawin nito. Okay, anything. So, nandyan yung sabihin nating babalik or makikipag-ayos, pero hindi totally totoo lahat yung sasabihin niya. Okay, iba si Five of Swords, iba si Five of Wands. Okay, magkaiba sila. Sinabi ko lang. Okay, ano tong Five of Swords in reverse? The Emperor. Lahat gagawin ito. Pwedeng Aries. Okay? Oh. I think for some of you, itong taong ito is like sila yung parang in control. Okay? Pwedeng ipinapakita nito is or emosyon niya pagdating sa iyo is they're like guarded. Okay? Guarded, strong. Walang nangyayaring masama or kung ano mang hindi maganda sa kanila like that. Okay? For some of you, pwede kang i-manipulate ng taong to. Okay, nandyan si Five of Swords in reverse, tas si Emperor. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong emosyon mo pagdating sa kanya, Sagittarius. Oh, the Two of Swords. So, you're avoiding. Yeah, you're avoiding the Two of Swords. Avoiding, blocking. Some of you, naging indecisive ka na rin pagdating sa kanya. Unsure pagdating sa feelings and emotions. Why? The Four of Wands. Okay, someone is pwedeng in a relationship na. Kaya, iba sa inyo, ina-avoid nyo tong taong to. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. So, I guess, kaya siguro walang nangyaring pag-level up. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng in a relationship na itong person na to, and alam mo yon, or pwedeng ikaw is in a relationship na sa ngayon. So, that's why you're trying to avoid them. Or, sabihin natin, there's something like pertaining or parang significantly, like, pagdating sa anong tawag doon? Sa stability. Okay? Parang merong patungkol sa stability dito. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may age gap. Okay? May pagkukumpara dito. Ha? May pagkukumpara akong nararamdaman dito. Yeah. Kanina lumabas ata tong si Two of Swords. May dalawang to kanina akong nakita kasi. Tingnan ninyo yung number 222, angel number. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pagdating naman sa some of you nakakaramdam ako rito ng iba sa inyo nga, pwedeng ina-avoid mo sila, pero gusto mo pa rin. Gusto mo pa rin sila. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano ang next action niya towards you. Death. Okay, so this is like totally ending, I guess. This is ending, death, changes. Okay, the Six of Chalices. Okay, Six of Chalices is like missing you. Okay, ano tong death? I guess kung may mga nangyaring pagbabago pagdating sa'yo, nandyan yung namimiss ka. Okay, namimiss ka ng taong to, mga ganyan. Vice versa. Okay, ano tong death? Yeah, the Star. Someone is focusing on healing. Okay? Yeah. Next action niya is to heal. To change. I don't know kung anong i-change. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles. Siguro ang focus nito ngayon is sabihin natin yung kanyang mga na-delay sa buhay niya. Ayun ang focus niya. Okay? And yeah, they're trying to heal. They're trying to heal. Wala akong nakikitang next action nila patungkol sa'yo. Wala. At all. Okay? So, ano bang magiging outcome if ever? Outcome ng mga Sagittarius and ng inyong person. The Six of Pentacles. Oh. Forgiveness. Yeah, forgiveness. And then, ang naririnig ko rito is like, forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. See? Forgive and forget. The Four of Swords in reverse. Ay, ang ganda ng aking gagawing title dito. Forgive and forget. Yeah. Five of Chalices. Well, someone is like, nasaya. Merong nasayangan, may nag-regret. I don't know. Kung kaninong part yun. Yeah. Now, Six of Pentacles outcome. Forgiveness. Yeah. The Page of Wands universe. So, I guess, yun nga, tama. Forgive and forget. Kasi si Page of Wands, ito yung energy na parang urong-sulong. Failed start. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Chalices universe. Okay. So, yeah, may nasayang. May nanghinayang. May magre-regret. Ganyan. Kung, yan. The Six of Chalices nandito pa rin sa ilalim. Kung meron dito ang nagsinungaling or hindi naging totoo or hindi naging tapat, siya yung may panghihinayang. Kung sino yung naging duwag dito, siya yung may panghihinayang. May panghihinayang ka ba? Naging duwag ka ba, Sag? I don't know. Hindi ko rin naman ina-advise, lalo na kung merong someone or kung ngayon meron. No, I guess this is like sabihin nga natin na forgive and forget, or kung kaya nyo mag-forgive or kung kaya nyo magbigay ng forgiveness, then go. Okay? So, there. Ang hirap na ito. Karmic. Yes. Mahirap. Mahirap yung paulit-ulit ka dito. Okay? Paulit-ulit. Parang hindi ka makatakas. Hindi ka makakausad hanggat hindi mo binibigay yung forgiveness. Hindi ka makakausad hanggat hindi mo ifo-focus yung sarili mo sa healing. Okay? At hindi mo pa nagagawa yung pagpapasalamat dahil nangyari sa iyo itong sitwasyon na to. Hanggat hindi mo nagagawa yon, you're not healed. Tandaan mo yan. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for Sagittarius. Okay. Sag. Okay. Aries. Oh. Natatakot si Aries. Takot siya sa yung lumapit. Hindi niya rin alam kung paano sisimulan. Kung paano ang mga sasabihin. Okay? Taurus, they're trying to forget you. Okay? They are. Meron ditong separation, yeah. Gemini, so they're like, naririnig kong kanta rito, turn between two lovers. May naririnig akong ganun na energy kay Gemini. Tama ba? Turn between two lovers. I don't know. Okay, so 8 of Swords, Death. Okay, someone is like stuck pero gusto ng pagbabago. Yeah. Meron din ditong parang, ito si Gemini na ito is like, pagod na ito na parang nakakaramdam siya ng parang stuck siya sa moment or sa situation, then gusto na niya ng pagbabago. Yeah. Cancer. Okay. Two of Chalices in reverse. And like, someone is afraid. Okay. So, yeah. Someone is afraid na mag-try ng new beginning. Yes, I don't know, maybe because of the separation. Ayun yung isang naging dahilan niya na, or sabihin natin isang humahadlang sa kanya para hindi makipag-ayos or para makipagbalikan. Okay? Yeah. Some of them may galit sila sa puso nila. Okay? Leo. They're dropping you. Hindi nila gusto ng responsibilities, commitments. They are afraid of the commitments. Virgo. They like you. They love you. They have emotions for you. Okay, pero sinasayang nila yon dahil maybe hindi nila ino-offer or takot sila na ma-recognize na malaman, no, yung feelings nila. Virgo, Libra. Okay, focusing on work, being busy. But yeah, they feel like Hindi ko ma-explain. Parang nalulungkot. Oo, parang tinadaan na lang nila sa pagiging busy yung kalungkutan nila. Yeah. Okay, Scorpio held back. But yeah, there's still like some of them pwedeng napagod na. So that's why hindi ka na makakarinig from this Scorpio. Yeah, the tower. This is Scorpio. Some of them, there's manipulation here with the Scorpio. Yeah. On purpose nilang ginagawa yung pag-hold back para someone will initiate. Oo, parang ganyan. Sagittarius, they are bitter. I'm sorry. Sagittarius ka nga pala, no? Yeah. Pwedeng person mo, if they're like Sagittarius din, no? Nakakaramdam pa rin sila ng kabiteran, nakakaramdam pa rin sila ng unfinished business. Yeah, this is karmic. Yeah, the Ten of Chalices, they want you. They want you. Pero still, hindi nila kayang gawin. I don't know why. Maybe. Capricorn. Oh. Pwedeng itong si Capricorn, marami nang nangyayari sa kanyang pagbabago sa ngayon. Yeah. A revenge coming from this Capricorn. Okay, next is Aquarius. They still want you. They still want you. Pisces. Gusto nila ulit i-build kung anong dapat i-build sa inyo. So, maybe trust, no? Some of you kailangang kung ano mang issue, yun ang kailangan. Like, may nag-iisip. Okay? Nag-iisip itong Pisces na to na i-build yung kailangang i-build sa situation ninyo. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for Sagittarius placement. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye!